Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Adobe Lightroom on your Android device. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. And once it is done, open your Google Play Store. Now, go to the search icon at the bottom and tap on that. Go to the search box at the top and type in Adobe Lightroom. Look for this application from Adobe and then tap on Install. Wait for the application to download and install, which may take several minutes. Once the app is installed, tap on Open. Now allow Lightroom to access photos and videos on your device by tapping Allow All or Allow Limited Access according to your preference. And after selecting an image, you can go ahead and start editing it. So that's how you can easily download and install Adobe Lightroom on your Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.